We are getting ready to do a Dustin Eats Clam Chowder tutorial. He's scolding me. Cheers. Thank you, Max. What?
What? Why are you being weird?
I have to smile with my mouth closed because you don't like my breath.
We'll be right back after Tiff pushes her tea. Because that vodka is how now? Wait, are you gonna? Okay, don't talk to me.
Can you just talk how you were talking?
I will right now.
Seriously,
okay,
like,
well, stop breathing on me. Stop breathing on me. Stop. Oh, shit. Excuse me while I die.
Stop dying! Come
Can
on.
you just go brush your teeth?
I'm gonna switch you with some vodka.
That's what's making it sting. Great.
I'm not even gonna talk. I'm not gonna breathe. Yes. He's gonna get mad at. He's gonna get mad if I breathe. With all my breath.
Breathe that way. It's okay to breathe. Just breathe that way.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna hold my breath. Stop! Don't tease me. Face this way. I'm gonna pose like DJ.
Hey everyone, welcome to Dustin Eats. I'm Dustin. Today I'm here with my sister.
Hi sisters! Hold my breath for real, stop. Because you don't like my breath.
Just don't talk.
I'm not. I'm not allowed to say anything.
Or breathe.
Or breathe. Let me hold my breath. 1, 2, 3.
Hey everyone, welcome to Dustin Eats.
Stop laughing.
I'm Dustin,
Stop.
and today I'm here with my sister Tiffany.
Stop teasing my breath.
Oh, stop breathing on me then.
Okay, Bretman, you're being mean like your sister. DJ was like mean to me before Bretman was born.
Oh my god, calm down, sis. Oh.
Take 54.
Hey everyone, welcome to Dustin Eats. I'm Dustin, and today I'm here with my sister Tiffany.
Hi everyone.
So Tiff, what are we making tonight?
We're gonna make our mom's clam chowder that we grew up eating throughout our childhood. Our mom would make 3 staple dishes for us as we were growing up, along with other things. However, these were the 3 main ones: clam chowder, spaghetti, and fried chicken.
So what are the ingredients for Mom's clam chowder?
1 pound of bacon,
3 patatas,
2 cans of clams,
a can of corn,
and 2 cans of evaporated milk. Let's begin.
Step 1.
First, we need to fry the bacon. First, we need to cut the bacon into 1-inch squares. Alright, what's everybody doing?
Tranny's taking a bath, Kayla's on her iPad, and Daddy's watching TV, and Marley's right here.
Marley's by you?
Yeah.
Alright, well, tell everybody I love them so much.
Okay.
And I love you so much.
Love you.
We're cooking clam chowder right now. You want some?
No.
Alright. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you.
Love you.
Bye, baby boy. Tell everybody I love them.
Okay.
Marley, too.
Love you, Marley.
Mommy loves Marley. I'm also going to add some pepper to the bacon. So while the bacon is frying, we're going to peel some potatoes. potatoes and the bacon is frying, I'll cut the potatoes into 1-inch cubes.
Be sure to put your potato skins in the compost bin.
Once the bacon's fried, pour half the oil out into a glass jar, and then add the potatoes. Next, add enough water to cover the potatoes and bacon.
Bring to a boil and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Or until the potatoes are soft.
15 minutes later. Now that our potatoes are nice and soft, it's time to add the rest of the ingredients.
Boil and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Add salt and pepper to taste.
I love pepper. My name is Tiffany and I like to be a hot mess. Hey JR. DJ hates when I whisper, so I love when I do things that DJ hates. It's so phony and it's real. DJ gets mad with every little noise. And that's what misophonia is.
While Tiff is being a hot mess, I'll be cleaning the kitchen.
Stop
calling Bretman.
You're being mean to me like Bretman's mean to his sister. I'm gonna talk shit when you're gone. DJ just left the room. He's so mean to me. But I love you, Deej. Bing. He's so mean. Such a mean person. He has misophonia and he doesn't like when I whisper or if I drink alcohol. Bye. What? Oh my gosh, my allergies. Girl, chill. This is my favorite part of the trip. He's tripping on my trip. He's tripping.
You're being way too annoying.
That makes me so happy. I love you, sister.
So fake.
He hates me.
Shut up. Oh my god.
Look at me looking cute and you're not. You look like a
I look cute.
B-I-T-C-H.
Move over. Get your hands off the table. Did I already teach you anything? Have your
Elbows
soup
off
in
the table.
The clam chowder's finished. It's time to eat.
Let's dig in. Jerk.
Oh my god.
That was my honest reaction. That was freaking good. I love this.
So good. Just like how mom used to make. Brows by TC Beauty. Ew. TC, not so beauty.
I love you.
Okay, Michelle Tanner. So fake, Michelle Tanner. The soup is perfect for these cold San Francisco winter nights. Oh, bruh, this is broke them out.
Oh, cuz this is all delicious.
Thanks, sis, for teaching me how to make mom's clam chowder.
You're welcome, DJ.
What is
What? Get it off.
Ew.
Get it off.
I want your clam. Ew. Ew. Thanks, sis, for teaching me how to make mom's clam chowder.
I don't know why you didn't know how to make it already, but I'm glad I taught you.
Thank you, sis.
Next. Sis.
Me and Maddie say thank you, sis.
Hey, Maddie.
Hi, Maddie. Hey, Pat.
Hey, Pat. Paunakamat. Pot.
Katapat.
Katapat.
Hey, Christina. Hey, Marcel.
Hey, Marcel. Hawaiian.
Hawaiian. I love you.
You love me.
We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram at Dustin Eats. And follow Tiff at Tiffany Colburn Beauty. Have an onolicious day. We dedicate this video to our beautiful mother, Debbie.
We love you, Mom.
This video was brought to you by Terrarium Kits. DIY air plant mini gardens that are fun and easy to assemble. Each kit contains all the supplies needed to create a fabulous terrarium for your home or office. Use code YouTube for 15% off.
I'm not.
Just don't breathe on me then.
Stop eating misophonia. I don't
It's not
admit.
misophonia, it's breathophobia.